of identity and a bridge connecting generation. As we take the stage, let us remember that this dance performance is not just about a technique, it is about the essence. Throughout history, the wind of God has carried His purpose in the days of creation. His breath brought life on Pentecost. His Spirit descended like a rushing wind, igniting hearts with divine fire. And today the same Spirit moves, shaking the foundation of sin and scattering the seeds of impurity, making way for His holiness to take root in us. Like chaff mixed with the wheat, distraction and doubts may try to pull us away from God's truth. But the wind of the Holy Spirit is at work, separating what is harmful and leading us towards purity, strength, and unwavering faith. Thank you and enjoy the performance.
Unang rapasta palakre lupa ukmen pahlawan kapor pasoba Kawet kodir mensim ya ustad kajin pensmil Perset kodir bakun ya ustad tobe syarun Kisong pada biang tutan ya unyon kita ya ugong ilmu hati aku genraji kecilkan pun kawet kuliah mensil ya ustad kajin pensil berset kuliah bakun ya ustad tobe syarun hoi 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 hoi
Since we could not express much in words, we would express in dance. So I hope you will enjoy the dance and the story of the dance. The name of the dance is called Chitulam. This is a traditional Biati dance that is performed during the sapling planting season with the intention of ensuring a bountiful harvest. This harvest dance is performed by both men and women, serving as a joyful expression of unity, communal spirit, and dedication to their agriculture endeavors, particularly in paddy cultivation. The dance is characterized by its unique steps, movements, and rhythms, which are often accompanied by traditional music and songs. Chitulam is not only a form of entertainment, but also a way to express the community's history, myths, and cultural values. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy our dance. Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ